Lutong Barkada. I'm Marie.
And I'm Joy.
So today we have a short video of how to make latik. Since we only have one ingredient for this one, we are going to show you right away. We need coconut cream. If you want, usually it's 2 cans, but we only need 5 tablespoons of the latik. So we heated a pan.
And then just pour this in.
Yes.
So we will just let this boil.
Yes, and the key here is when it starts to get thick, and you will have to mix and mix and mix
And mix. Alright, so that's it, right?
Yeah.
Just keep mixing. So
And then we'll wait
I'm
for
going
it
to adjust the heat to medium fire and let it thicken until we get that latik from this coconut cream.
Oh, this is so yummy, Joy. Especially with maja blanca. What else do you?
Biko.
Biko, yes,
Biko,
and
yes.
sapin-sapin.
Oh yes, sapin-sapin.
When I was growing up in Malabon, we have this sapin-sapin. It's so yummy. Oh my gosh, I miss that.
Did you know, Marie, yung oil nito, we can use it for our hair.
Oh yes,
Remember? So the oil that will come from
the hot oil. I used to do that
Yes.
when I was younger. Like we
Ako
go to
din.
the parlor and then parlor, and then we go.
We didn't have parlors. My mom used to put that in my hair kasi healthy daw yun sa hair, sa scalp.
And also, yeah, the scalp.
So yeah, maraming benefits coconut. So we'll see that later. How much oil can we get from this coconut cream?
Okay, I'm just mixing so I don't want it to burn.
Yeah, and that's the key. You just have to keep mixing it. So that we'll just let it boil, and then when it's thickened, so yung latik lalabas siya.
Yes, and that's yummy.
Alright, so keep stirring, Marie. I'm going to take a nap.
I want sana we can also make sapin-sapin because I like that.
Yeah, we have to learn. how
Ever
to
since
make that.
we started this cooking show, I'm missing the food back when I was younger. So
Yeah, marami siyang namimiss. Pero marami din si Maring favorite food.
yes. Oh, if you only know.
May mga favorite siya. So watch for that stamp in our video. That means Marie's favorite.
Si Joy din has a Joy's
Isa pa lang
favorite.
ako. Isa pa lang ata favorite ko.
Well, the next one,
Yes.
the Maja Blanca,
Yes.
will be your favorite.
Yeah.
So watch out for our Maja Blanca too. And then I'm sure we will do sapin-sapin for sure.
Definitely. We'll try that. But honestly, I have not done that. So watch out for that. And let's see what will turn
We'll
out.
do our Malabon style.
Oh, talaga? I didn't know they
Yeah.
have different
No, I don't know
version.
if there's a, but the one that I tasted when I was growing up is like, oh my gosh.
So we should still try your favorite, another favorite mo.
Tell me what
What is that? Like the thick noodles, pancit.
Malabon?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, pancit
yeah,
malabon.
yes.
Yes.
Of course.
We have to. We have a lot of recipe that we will share with you.
Yes.
Just watch for our videos.
Grew up in Malabon, so I'm saying the one from Malabon is the best pancit Malabon.
Of course, yes.
I miss
Represent.
it. Yes, I miss that.
So it looks like it's getting thicker now. It's boiling too. So hindi talaga natin lalagyan to ng sugar, di ba? Just that, just like that.
Yes, yes. Kasi coconut cream to. You can also use coconut milk, but it's easier to bring out the latik when it's like the cream because it's thicker.
Thicker. So parang yung cream, siya yung first gata na pag in-squeeze mo from fresh coconut, siya yung ata yung fresh na juice. And then, kasi yung coconut milk, kasi natatandaan ko, merong first batch, it's yun yung cream. So then, second one, though, my mom used to add a little bit water, and then yung second, yun yung parang milk. Kaya, Yeah.
Do you like also the buko juice?
Oh my God, yes.
Yeah.
From fresh.
Oo.
Yeah.
And then when I was growing up, our neighbor, we have a lot of like buko trees, and then I see the men climbing up the buko tree. That's
Yeah.
like, wow.
Did you know that we used to have coconut parang farm?
Uh-huh.
Marami kaming puno ng buko. So we have I don't know if we still have that. I think we still have.
You should ask mommy.
I know, but yeah, we have what is that thing? Makapuno.
Makapuno.
Yes, we used to
Oh, you
have
have that.
Makapuno, and then buko, and then yung totoong coconut na tree.
Kami naman, makopa, santol, langka, ano yung brown? Chico ba yun?
Chico,
Yes, yes.
Oh, I love that Chico.
And then we have, ano yung like that, maraming ice?
Atis.
Atis, we also
Yes.
have atis tree, and then kamyas. And then,
Yes. Oh my God, I used to climb the kamyas tree.
Makopa, did I say makopa?
Makopa.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, ang dami-naming puno. Yeah.
Kami mangga, Indian mango.
Oo, nagtanim ako ng mangga kaso umalis na kami kasi 5 years ang pagtubo nun.
Oh, yeah. Oo.
They told me 5 years. By the time we moved, I never saw the mangga, but I planted it.
Alam mo ba kung nandun pa, buhay pa?
Wala na siguro yun.
Yeah. Alam mo, marami kaming Indian mango. Tapos ang dami-dami niyang, alam mo yung langgam?
Oo.
Malalaki.
Isn't
Ang
it-
hantik, di ba?
Yeah, does that mean it's sweet?
Sweet, yes.
Mhm,
Yes. Oh my God, I miss those foods sa Pilipinas. Tsaka alam mo yung, what do you call that? Yung maliit na, parang siyang grape, pero black siya.
Duha?
Duha! Oh, I love that.
Oh, saan? Oh, yeah, sa...
So, we used to buy that sa palengke. And then they have, it's in a, parang siyang baso. And then we just wash that and put salt and we shake it. And then eat it from
Oh,
there.
yummy. Oh, it's thickening, right?
Yes. Should we
Heat
put a little
lower.
bit
Oh.
lower pa? Or it
No.
should be na? Ayan, kasi kailangan constant.
Yeah, as long as I'm like searing it.
Yeah.
Tama, we can bring this later to our barkadas. We have
Yes,
some...
we have barbecue party because it's summertime, so barbecue time. And we decided to bring some dessert for later.
And our special pork chop recipe.
Yeah, pork chop.
Oh,
You
one
guys,
day, yeah, we
yeah,
have to
you
share
have
that
to
one time.
You have to watch. I will share that with you.
When it's grilling time, because it's summertime, we'll do barbecue, as Elizabeth requested that.
Mhm.
And then our pork chop. Also, who said that she has a special pork chop? Lila. Lila,
Yeah.
you're gonna share her special pork chop recipe.
Also, guys, if you want to share your special recipe, if you want to share with us, just message below with a comment and then we will contact you. Or if you just want to share your recipe, just let us know. Comment below.
Because sometimes they are like just camera shy. They don't wanna like
Do it.
Yeah. Go in
We are
front of the
camera shy too, but we have to do it for you guys. So it's for fun, no pressure. We are
Yeah.
not professional.
We're just like having,
Just having
fun.
Yep. Sharing our love for food.
Since we
Sharing
love
it.
to eat and we love to eat together, and
Yeah.
so we decided, let's make it fun.
Yep. And share with you. So hopefully guys you're trying our recipes that we shared already.
Yes.
Wow, this is thick na. It's so amazing how from the cream now it looks like it's
We'll see it.
yeah, it's very thick.
I know, like people, my friends, some of them, they say they're learning how to cook because, they're watching us.
Yeah.
And so thank you for your support, for those who are like always watching and commenting. We
And giving us
appreciate it.
thumbs up.
Yes.
And sharing our videos. We really appreciate you guys doing that for us.
What are we going to cook when we go on? Oh, we're going on a vacation soon. So we're gonna have some videos
To share with you.
Yeah.
So it will
be a surprise.
Yes. We can grill on the beach, but we're not gonna reveal where we're going first because it's a surprise.
Yes, but it's a beautiful place. That's what I know.
Wisconsin.
A lot of beautiful place.
Wow!
Wow, Joy! Ang bango pa niya! Ang galing!
So, here's our latik.
So we will strain it.
Yeah, yung oil. We're going to separate the oil. Because the oil we will use for our hair. Later on. Watch for Marie's video putting that on her hair.
Hot oil time.
Ito na ang latik natin. I'm just gonna strain it here. Para makuha natin ang oil.
So this is the latik. See you later.
Wow!
So guys, here's our latik now. It is ready. We are ready for our next recipe, which is
Maha Blanca. So we will put this latik on top of the Maha Blanca. So watch our next video for that.
And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And hit that notification bell. See you guys next time.
Thanks
See you
for
in our next
watching.
video.